What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 7 ways that you can make some extra money online from home. I thought it would be a good idea to do this video because there's a lot of people stuck at home and some people don't even have any income coming in right now. And I thought I'll show you 7 ways you can make some extra income either as a side hustle or maybe this could turn into some sort of full-time job for you making this money online. Now, I went out and handpicked the best that are the most simplest and easiest to do that any beginner could jump into right now and start making money online today. So let's jump into my computer and I'll take you through all of these ways you can make money online. I've been making money online for quite some time now and I know what works and what doesn't work. So what I want to do is share with you right now some ways you can make some extra cash online. Alright, so one of the first ways that I'm going to show you is a method called user testing. Now I actually use this a lot on the other end of things, so I actually pay people to do this for me. What I do is I actually have a software and this is my software here, and I can use websites like usertesting.com to actually go out and pay people to test my software for bugs and things like that. And what people like me do is we pay people like you just go through our sites or our software and see if there's any glitches or issues. Now this one is called usertesting.com. I'll leave links to all the websites below. And if you go to get paid to test, you can actually sign up as a tester on here. So top brands want to hear from you, get paid to share your opinions and experiences, make things you care about better. And you simply put in your email address and you can apply to sign up to this website and essentially be like a beta tester or a user tester. And you can go down here, you can earn $10 for every 20 minute test you complete. So that says that right there. Earn $10 for every 20-minute test you complete, and even more for interviews. So that one's usertesting.com. You can get paid to test softwares, websites, and basically just general experiences online. Here's another one here called userlytics.com, and this one is essentially the same thing. So if you find that you can't find work on the other one, you can use this one, or you can actually go online and Google the best user experience websites, and you can find other ones. Now, if you go up to here to test a sign up, this one here, they will pay you $5, $10, $15, $20 or other amounts. Some of our projects pay as much as $90 for having fun expressing opinions while navigating the web. So this is called userlytics.com. If you're a complete beginner and you have a bit of spare time just sitting at home right now, I would suggest signing up to these 2 websites and going and completing jobs. Like, you might not make a lot of money from this. You might make $20, $50, $10, but it soon starts to stack up as you do more jobs. So that's userlytics and usertesting.com. Now, another way that you can make money online right now is by using a website called Fiverr.com. Now, what this website is, it's essentially for freelancers who want to earn money doing something they have a skill in. Now, you might be wondering, you might not have any skills, and you might be thinking, I don't have any skills or anything like that. Well, if you actually go to the writing and transcription, you can write articles or blog posts, you can do translations, you can proofread and edit, you can do resume writing. If we go to proofreading and editing, you can see people here that are willing to do it for $48, $8, $8, $9. But let's say we click on this person's one here. They will have different pricing structures. So basic is $48, standard is $80, and premium is $113. And basically what this person does and other people is they will proofread things that people send to you. So this is just like a pretty basic gig, but if you have some other skills, like maybe you're a designer or maybe you're good at programming or something, there's all of these things you can do. You can do Photoshop editing, logo design, game design, illustration. If we go to programming, you can do WordPress, you can do coding, you can do all sorts of stuff. You can even do the user testing that we talked about in the last one. So you can put up a gig to do user testing if you like. Logo design is pretty good. If you have a skill in designing logos or you have some sort of like experience with that, you can sign up to here and you can sell your services as a logo designer. It's a very good way to go and make some money online. Now, another website that I actually use as well is called upwork.com. And it's essentially the same as Fiverr, but you actually get paid more. There's more quality on here and you can get paid more. So if I put something in here like assistant, you'll see how much you can get paid as an assistant. And there's all sorts of stuff. There's design, writing, admin, dev support. This person here charges $22 per hour to do admin work. This one here is $20 per hour, $10, $18, $18, $18, $20. So you can essentially get paid a wage. Now, I hire people off this website all the time to do my emails for me, my admin work, build web pages for me. So I actually just paid someone $4,000 to build a funnel for me from this website. He's my main funnel builder. Now, another great way to make money online is actually taking your knowledge, so your experience and stuff like that. You can actually use a website called udemy.com, and you can put a course online, and essentially they have courses on everything: business, design, photography, and you actually get paid when people purchase your course that you've created. Now, the best thing about Udemy is they actually promote the course for you. You don't have to put in any work. They do advertising, they do organic traffic, they do everything. So all you do is you actually just go and create the course, and that's it, and you upload it to the website. You just go to sign up, and you can sign up for free, and you can go and upload your course to Udemy. Now, I actually have a course on Udemy myself, and I make about $300 per month. I haven't really used it as much as I probably could, but from one course, I make $300 per month. So this is udemy.com, and there's all of these categories. So you can do literally a course on anything. If you have experience so let's say right now you have a job in advertising. Okay, maybe you're a marketer for a company, and you're like, hey, I'm pretty good at this. I want to start a side hustle, and I want to sell my own course. You can do this on udemy.com, and you'll get paid every time someone purchases. You'll get a percentage, and then Udemy takes their fee. But another great website that has a completely different business model is Skillshare.com. Now, Skillshare.com is a little bit different because they actually pay you per minutes watched, which is really, really cool. So all of these videos are essentially free, or people sign up under a membership, and you go and create a course, and you can give that course away for free, but you actually get paid per minute watched, which is really, really cool.
Misunderstanding about productivity.
And it starts to add up. So this course here has got 10 lessons. It's only 1 hour long. So you can do really, really short courses. That's one of the best things about this. And he's going to get paid per minute. And he has 71,000 students, and he has 3,000 reviews. So he probably makes a good amount of money. Now, you don't actually need a lot of minutes to make good money. I know someone that's making over $100,000 per year with their courses on Skillshare. The minutes add up quickly, and they compound, and you can make really good money from a website like Skillshare. So you can do udemy.com, where you get paid for one course sale, or you could do Skillshare, where you get paid per minute. Now, another way to make some money online is a website called Clarity. Now, what Clarity does is essentially, if you're an expert in something, you can give advice, and people will call you up and you can charge per minute. So if I actually go down to here and I go to, say, marketing strategy, I can call this person for $5 per minute, this person for $4 per minute, this person for $5 per minute, $2.50 per minute, and I can get advice. They're essentially an advisor, a consultant. So if you have, like, once again, let's say you work for a social media marketing agency or something, or you're good at advertising, you can be like, hey, I can give you some tips on advertising for $5 per minute. And there's lots of different industries here. So we've got digital marketing. So hey, I can charge $16 per minute. I help authors become profitable and scale their business. This person is a CEO of some sort of company. This guy is an e-commerce expert, and he charges $3 per minute. So if you do a 60-minute call, this guy's going to make $90 for 1 hour's work. $90 for 1 hour's work. So if you have some sort of skill, I would recommend definitely jumping onto this website, which is called clarity.fm, and go and sign up, and you can become an expert. You can literally give advice and get paid to give advice from the comfort of your own home. It's a really good way to make some money online. Now, another way, which is one of my favorites, and I currently know someone making $800 a week doing this right now, and this is called being a transcriber, where you transcribe information. So this website here is called rev.com, and people like me, what I do is I upload my YouTube videos and I get them transcribed into text so I can upload them onto my blog. And what you want to do here, and you essentially just type words that you hear from the video. So what you want to do to this is called rev.com, is you can actually scroll to the bottom and you can click on Become a Freelancer. And they will pay you for doing this. So essentially you just type content. So what happens is you'll get sent a video, you listen to the video and you type out what's in that video. And they will and you'll receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all the work that you completed. And you can get 30 to $1.10 per minute of video, or as a captioner, you can get 54 cents to $1 per minute per video. However, that's not the only website you can do this from. There's another one called transcribeme.com. And once again, this is the exact same thing as Rev. Big companies, so like companies like this, like the Penny Hoarder, Money Saving Mum, Woman's Day, they will send in videos and audio files and stuff, and you simply transcribe it into a text format. If we scroll down to the bottom, all you do is you go become a transcriptionist, and it'll load it up, and you simply fill in this application. And then you send it off, and then they'll get back to you, and then once you're approved, you can start doing jobs. Now, another great way to make some money online that you literally don't have to have any skills at all is go to Craigslist and put in free. Now, what's going to happen is all of this stuff's going to come up that people were giving away for free. You don't have to pay any money for it. Now, it might take you a while to weed through all of the garbage stuff, but like, for example, let's say this one here, where they're giving away a free dining room table. I could go and pick up this dining room table, and I could actually go into a place called Facebook Marketplace, and I could resell that on Facebook Marketplace for like this one they're selling, well, for $1, but they're selling this old kind of like desk here for $140. This desk here, $80. And you can even pick up free stuff on Facebook Marketplace, give it a bit of a cleanup, and you can resell it as well. So essentially just go onto Craigslist, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, find things that people are giving away from free, give them a bit of a cleanup, and you could resell them. So if we actually look at this one here, this is a nice solid wooden tall boy, this is called. They're selling it for $350. You could probably find this for free somewhere online or something similar to this. Give it a bit of a varnish, maybe a bit of a cleanup, which was just time. And you could go and resell this online for a profit. It will require a little bit of work picking things up and cleaning them up, but it's money in the bank. It's essentially what it is. You're finding something for free, you're selling it for a profit. Now, one of my favorite ways is using a website called clickbank.com. Essentially what clickbank.com does is you can actually go onto clickbank.com and you can find products to promote for a commission. So you can start like a blog or a YouTube or something like that, or give a link to your friends. Let me just sign in here because I've signed out. All right, so what you can actually do is you can find a product. This one here, they will pay you an average of $258 every time you make a sale. And this is a product based on making money online. So if you promote this product here, this is called clickbank.com. If you promote this product here, and this is called affiliate marketing, you get a commission. So all you've got to do is go to promote, and this little box will pop up, and you go generate hop links. And this link is going to pop up. You copy this link, and this is going to be your affiliate link. Every time you send somebody to this link, I'll just put it in this box here. Every time you send someone to this link, actually I'll put it in here, and someone makes a purchase, you're going to get a commission for that if someone makes a purchase here. And the commission for this one is $258, which is really, really good. Now, another way to do this is you can use a website called Amazon Associates. Amazon will pay you a commission for any product on their website. And as you know, Amazon's a huge e-commerce platform. It's the biggest one on the planet. They will pay you a commission up to 10%. Now, all you got to do, what a lot of people actually do, is they create these kind of like videos, review videos, 5 best cameras for photography. If we scroll down to the bottom, if we scroll down and go to the description, you'll see these links here. These are called affiliate links. If I click on these affiliate links, it's going to take me to Amazon. And if someone makes a purchase through that link, he's going to get a commission. That's why you see a lot of people on Facebook and YouTube and stuff like that doing videos on the best cameras, the best couches, the best water blasters, best vacuum cleaners. That's why a lot of people do these videos. And this video here is 200,000 views. And it was only done, well, a couple of months ago, but it's consistently getting views. So the more content you put out, the more money you're going to make over time. So that, guys, was 7 ways you can make some extra money from home at the moment if you're stuck at home. Now, I've been making money online for quite some time now, quite a lot of years. And my favorite out of this list was probably the last one, affiliate marketing, because it's so simple. You don't actually need your own product to do it. You can promote somebody else's product for a commission. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave some videos up on the right that are going to take you through step by step. These are completely free if you want, on how to create your own affiliate marketing business from scratch and how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap that notification bell. And what I'll do is I'll see you on one of the videos on the right. If you go and click those right now, I'll teach you exactly how to start your own affiliate marketing business.